Good day, we are the Omis, and this is our 12th Arduino project, the RGB light dimmer. In this project, we control the brightness of an RGB LED using the three potentiometers, one for each color channel, red, green, and blue. Our group members are Lira Mark Christian, Tarjo Mark Vincent, and me, Mojica Denver John. Each of us work on wiring, programming, and testing the LED color mixing system. An RGB light dimmer lets us change the brightness of the red, green, and blue channels of an LED individually. By adjusting three potentiometers, we can mix different intensities of these colors to create a wide variety of new colors. For this project, we use one Arduino Uno board, one RGB LED, three potentiometers, three 220 ohm resistors, one breadboard, jumper wires, and the USB cable for programming. In the circuit, the RGB LED has three pins connected to digital PWM pins 9, 10, and 11 through resistors. Each potentiometer is wired to analog inputs A0, A1, and A2. Turning each potentiometer changes the brightness of the red, green, or blue channel. This code reads the three potentiometers, maps their values to the LED brightness range, and adjusts the RGB LED accordingly. By mixing these three values, we can produce many different colors. This video shows us wiring the RGB LED and potentiometers to the Arduino, then uploading the code. And here's the final output. And that's all. Thank you.